Hey guys, I'm to TeamCodingPlaza. Today we are going to looking into the concepts of Linux commands with the Windows, right? Earlier I have made a video on that, how to write and execute the Linux commands and how to process the Linux operations in Windows, right? There is a tool is there. You can see in my playlist, Linux playlist is there. So there you can able to refer. Okay. So today we are going to go cover the concept of that ls listing. Okay. How to list the files in the Linux commands using the Windows. Okay. So here these are the concepts I'm going to cover. Next, coming to that, see these are the topics are there today we are going to cover in this video. That the ls command listed is and in ls different types of commands are there, and each command having different features are there, right? So ls-l, ls-a, ls-lh, ls-lt. So and finally summary we are going to cover. Okay, let's start. The ls command list the directory contents. The ls command is one of the most common user commands in the Linux, right? So ls command, we are familiar with Linux and we are going to start the Linux journey. So this is the basic command you have to start, because first of all we have, if you are logging into any, normally if you are logging into Windows, first you have to check files where it is. No, there is a GUI, this is a command CMD, okay, command line interface, right? So that's why here we have to use fully commands only. To use that, first we have to identify that where the files are there. No, so that's why coming here, the ls is mainly play the key role. So using ls in different commands are I shown you, right? ls-la like that. So we can show each file in the different format. Even though Windows also having different formats, right? You can show big icons, small icons, and along with the detailed icons, different formats are there, right? Like that only in Linux also different formats are there. So we are going to cover that too in this video. Okay, and it helps user list the contents of a directory. Okay, if a directory is there, if in your directories only we are going to use. So in a directory, how we are going to list the items, and this is useful for viewing files and folders present in specific location. So this is what the definition for this, and the basic usage of ls to list all the files and directories in your current location. Okay, whatever the location you are having, like path, it means location means that path where you are there. Okay, so the path is nothing but here I have shown in this image that see here. However, ls means without any detailed information, just it has shown that folders and file along with that files. Okay, in this mobax 10 folder, so different types of folders and files are there. Okay, abc.txt is a file and my, so here you can't identify that which is file, which is folder. No, so to cover that also different command is there. Okay, so first of all we'll see in real time how it will be. So mobax we have to go, then I have opened the mobax tab, and here I'm going to start the local terminal. Okay, so light and dark, whatever the your for this video, light I am taking, and dark also you can take. So this is what the terminal opened. Okay, here you can able to select the flavors also. That too I showed you in the setup video. Okay, there is a setup video is there, and here whatever the command we have discussed, that we can able to check here. Okay, so ls, see as I shown you here, so same things came, right? So this is what the brief of that command. Okay, so then after this completed, no, so it's clear, right? And next point, that using ls-l for the detailed information. Okay, so normally we have seen only folders and files, no, so we don't know that, right? So how what is the folder, what is the file, no, so we have to segregate that using this ls-l command. Okay, if you want more detail like file permissions, ownership, size, and modifications, means in Windows properties will check there everything, security, folders, different things, no, as in daily basis. But in Linux like this you can able to check if you want more details like permissions, ownership, size, and modification time, like using -l flag with ls. Okay, so here I'm going to show you detailed information. I'm going to explain you also. This will show that permissions. Okay, the first thing here you can see that permissions. Okay, just to observe the cursor, and next number of the links. How many links means 1 2, here 2 files are there, and owner of the file, who is owner, group means owner means user, what is the user I have logged in, that is the user is the permission, like your Windows user will be there, no, that he is the permission, and owner. Okay, group, there different types of groups are there, that will make the video groups and individual like that, permissions you can able to provide, and file size. Okay, how many bytes are there, last modified date and time. So your last modified date and time will be there, then file name will be there. So this is the format of the a file or folder in Linux. Okay, this is a beautiful format. There's no change in this. Nothing is there. Okay, so I'm going to make it detailed thing. Okay, this is the same next slide, same concept. See here, the first thing I'm going to give you detailed explanation. Please be aware of this, and you have to know about this. Okay, wherever you are going to work in the other world, so there definitely you have to connect to Linux server anywhere, because every whatever the applications you are running, everything will be running Linux servers only. Okay, even though you are running in a cloud, there also you have to use often these terminals. Uh, the first character hyphen and D indicates, okay, here see hyphen is there, D is there, no, indicates whether it's a file or directory. Okay, it's a file or directory. D means directory, icon means file. Okay, here file.txt with the extension is there, right? That is a file. And D is there, that is called directory. There are two types of files will be there. No, one is file or else sitting in the directory. The only two will be there. And the next 9 characters shows permissions for the owner, group and others. Okay, so the next 9 characters like R, W, X, R, icon, R, X, like that. No, on this topic also I will make a video. Okay, definitely the permissions of a file and folder. So this is the somewhat the big concept I'm not covering in this. Soon I will make a video. Okay, stay tuned. The number is the link count. Okay, the number after the link count, as we discussed earlier slide. One. Okay, the next two fields indicate the owner and the group. The next two fields what? Owner and the group. The number before the date shows file size in bytes. Okay, it is a byte. If you want to show in the MB or GB means there is several comments are there. Okay, sometimes shell scripts also you have to write to show that. We'll cover that too in future videos. The date and time gets when with the file. Okay, your date and time will be updated when you open the file, and when you are editing the file, like that things, it will update here the information. The last column is the file or directory name. Okay, is clear, right? Here everything clearly I have mentioned here. Everything I clearly mentioned. So just view clearly and watch and pause the video and read very carefully. Okay. So then after we'll go to mobax. Then we'll execute this command. Okay, ls-l. See how it is. Here what came? Desktop, launch folder, my documents, Wanda. See, the different things are there, right? So these are links actually. Desktop, launch folder, documents. These are the links. The directories I have not created. That's why it is not showing. These are the directory. So this is the file. abc.txt is the file. That's why hyphen is there. L means links will be there. Links means it will be pointing to different location using this shortcut. Okay. So this is what ls-l, and we'll cover that using ls-a to show hidden files. Yeah, this is also interesting, right? So we have to normally with the extension means a file or folder starting with dot will be hidden, right? In Windows also there is an option in properties hidden we can able to see right now. So by default ls does not show hidden files. Okay, it will never show files that start with a dot. To list all files including hidden files, we have to use this. Okay, ls-a means what it will do means whatever the files will be there, no, that and all we can able to see. Okay, this will display files like bash.bash src, .profile and .git, which are usually configuration files. So normally configuration files will not show with to normal users, and we don't have permissions to edit also. Other owner permissions and all required. Okay, so coming to permission, just I am giving you brief idea. And here you can see that this will display files like bash src, profile and all. Okay, these are all the configuration files. So here we'll run some inbuilt commands, schedules, everything will be keep here. Okay, so just we'll go through this. Just see here ls-a. See here earlier we'll try to give as detail, no. So ls-la will try this. See how I have executed this ls-la. Okay, so what I earlier mentioned, A is for hidden files, no. L means what detailed explanation, right? So for detailed explanation, here you can see that D is there. Okay, so here dot bash history, dot swim info, like that it is there, no? So last modified date, user group, in the file permissions, everything is there here, okay? Link files. So here earlier what we have seen when let's say one earlier 4 files we have seen, right? So here total 10 files we can able to see now. Got it, no? So what is the difference? Yeah. So then we'll go with another command, ls-lh for human readable file sizes. Okay. So earlier we have seen, I told you that that normally we have to write shell script. Normally nobody, as of my experience, I have not seen anyone this command. Okay, I also learned newly this one. If you want file sizes to be displayed in KB, MB or GB instead of bytes, you can use this command. Okay, very easy, right? Handy also. About the file size or folder size. Here file sizes are displayed in kilobytes, megabytes and gigabytes instead of raw data, right? Raw bytes. So we'll go through this. So I'm going to clear it. Looks like very tedious. Okay. ls-lh. Here I think some problem. What happened? ls-lh it should show, right? What happened? ls-lh. Yeah. Normally here no proper file, so it's under links, right? That's why it's not shown. Here the bash history one file is there, right? That is 1.5 KB. Okay. 614 maybe bytes are there. Only bytes only there. That's why it's 614 is showing. These are all just byte data, maybe not KB also. Okay. So that's why 1.5 KB this file is there. It is showing very clearly that what is the size of the file. Okay. So this is the view of ls-lh you can do, but I don't have any files now. Sorry, I have not created that. And I have shown that very clearly that HDL files, ls-lah. Okay. A means what? HDL files you can see. ls-l means detailed information. And ls-lh means what? And you can see a file size in the KB and human readable format. Okay. And using ls-ld to sort by modification time. Okay. Normally in Windows, what will sort the files by clicking the last modified column, right, in the folders. So like that only. Here we can plot. No, normally instead of checking that manually, so we can plot last modified date first, last modified date last, like that. No. So to sort by their last modification time used first and the oldest first. Okay, two things you can do. Means ascending order, descending order. Otherwise you can see, right. So that we'll go through that. ls-ld. Okay. See, this is what the last modified date. No. So 21, 20, 42, 4 I have modified this. Okay. cpc.txt. This what? Descending order. Okay. Last modified date wise I have descending order I have given. Okay. Normally then descending order LTR. ls-ltr. Okay. This is how make it top to bottom, or else ls-l also you can normal commands you can use that will show that from to first order commands. There's two ascending and descending order commands. Okay. ls-l LTR, or you have to use ls-l LT. Okay. R means reverse. Okay. So then after, so what is there to cover? Then summary. Hope I think you guys got some basic comments, knowledge about the listing the files. I hope these are the final comments available in the Linux. And in this tutorial, we have covered that basic ls command usage and listing files with the detailed information, displaying hidden files, viewing human readable file sizes, sorting files by modification tab. Right now, so these commands will be helpful to efficient and navigate manage files in your Linux environment. Yeah, I think the video has been end. Came to end. Here you guys have been understand the video, and please give me if any doubts in comment section. Definitely I will answer to that. I will reply to that. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.